Tableau is a powerful BI tool for turning raw sales data into interactive, insightful visualizations. Step-by-step guide. Connect to your data. Open Tableau, desktop, click Connect, choose your file, Excel, CSV, or database, SQL Server, Google Sheets, etc. Drag the relevant tables to the canvas if using multiple sources. Prepare the data. Go to the Data Source tab. Check field types. Ensure sales is a number, date is date, etc. Create calculated fields if needed. For example, profit margin, profit/sales. Build your first visualizations, worksheet. Drag sales to columns or rows. Drag dimensions like region, product category, or date to the opposite shelf. Common charts for sales. Bar chart, sales by region, product. Line chart, sales trend over time. Use month and year on columns. Map, sales by country, state. Use geographic fields, tree map, or pie. Sales breakdown by category, heat. Map, performance by month and product. Enhance the view. Add filters, colors, labels, and tooltips. Use quick table calculations for running total, percent of total, or year-over-year growth. Create a dashboard. Go to Dashboard, New Dashboard. Drag multiple sheets together. Add titles, filters, and actions for interactivity.